Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: does your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro support wireless charging? In front of me I have wireless charging station, and if we put these earbuds at the wireless charging station, we see the LED light at the charging station, but the most important that we see it on the front side of the charging case, so it means that your earbuds are charging. And because these earbuds support wireless charging, we can use reverse wireless charging if your phone supports this technology. You need to go to the settings and then to the battery. At least on stock Android reverse charging, we need to enable it, and it's located in the battery. Right here we have battery share, and we need to enable this mod. Then turn over your phone and put your earbuds at your phone. But we need to find good position, not this one. Yeah. And again we see the LED light, meaning that it also works. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!